Hi, I'm just making a Valentine art today. I've got some items from the recycle bin and some buttons and lace and gonna put it all together and make this mixed media Valentine. I'm just adding a little vintage white paint to the cardboard heart there, sort of scurfing it on. Now this is another way to make your background look weathered. I'm just adding some, this is burnt umber brown splotches and scrapes to it with the craft stick. Now we'll put that heart on there. And a little stenciling just to add some interest. My background is white, and so this is in a vintage white, the stencil. And then this is antique brown wax, so it just gives it a little different coloring. And I'll put a little around the edge here, a little aging. I'll add that lace, cut it at an angle, and then just glue on a strip. And there's a thinner one. And we'll add some rickrack as well. Next, I'm gonna put the word love on it. Hopefully, I can get it to look pretty straight. Since I have my heart already at a bit of an angle on the board, so wish me luck. Okay, I'm good with that, and glue it down. These here are some book page hearts. I had these shapes left from making some book page roses, and I thought I'd just throw them here on my paper tray, and look, I'm using them. And this is just little quotes on paper, and I've used them in a couple different projects, and I may do some scrapbooking at some point with, and I'll have those. So I'm going to put this is a little dove button and a little lace with it. Just, an embellishment that makes me think Valentine. And a little heart button in the middle of the O. And another little heart button down here. So this heart here is a little thicker. I had put the book page on some cardstock paper and then cut it out. And now I'm just adding a little more of the antique wax on the stencil. This stencil is like a letter. It's got some postage stamps and airmail strip, and so it's Now we'll add some ribbon down here. And I got a whole bunch of strips of lace and cloth here, and a couple strips of rickrack in there as well. And I'm going to just make a rag bow to put at the top to finish it off. I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know in the comments. And if you like this craft with an old plaque and some buttons, you may like this other one I made recently.